Hi there, and for this video, we're going to learn how to create a basic collapsible section in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website. I'm using a blank canvas. And then what we'll do is we'll now add an element. And then what if you have your website, obviously you'll need to find an area where you want to put your collapsible sections. But for this video, I'm just using this blank canvas. So I'll add my collapsible sections here. And then again, I'll just click on add element. And then from the sidebar, we'll just click on layout tools, and then we'll find accordions on the layout tools. And then once we're here on the accordions option, we'll just find a collapsible section that satisfy our needs. For example, I want to choose this one. So we'll just drag and drop this onto our website, and there we have our collapsible section. Obviously, you can edit this as you want. You can change the size of it. So it's depending on your preference. And then, for example, we want to manage the items inside of it. We can click on overview. And then if you want to change and add our content, we'll just edit the text. Edit the text. And then, for example, we'll just type in this is the overview. This is a long description about the over or this collapsible. For example, we're happy with that. You can just click out of it. And then if you want to change this one, you can change this into percent. And then if you want to change the image, you can change this as well. For example, you want to choose some vector arts. Maybe you want to choose this one, and then we'll just add it to the page, and then now see that the icon has now changed. And then if you want to change the other sections as well, you can just click on it, the performance, and then you can edit the text if you want, and then same with the other section. And then if you want to edit it some more, we can just click on this one. And then we have here our inspector from the right sidebar, and then we can just do some other options for it if you want. So you just need to play around with the different features that Wix Studio has. If you want to change the design, if you want to have background fills, if you want to change the background color. For example, I want to choose this one, and then it will be a gray color if we turn up the opacity. And then for text, you can change the font style if you want to. And then you can change the specific font style again. Then you change the font size. So it just depends on your preference. And then if you want to edit some more options right here, you can just do so as well. And then once you're done, if you want to add some animations, you can add it. So we'll just need to play around with the different options that we have in Wix Studio. So for example, I'm happy with this collapsible section. So what we'll do is we'll just preview it. And then we can now see that our collapsible section is working on our website. So that is it. I hope you learned how to add your collapsible section in your Wix Studio website. Thank you for watching this video.